introduce yourself to everyone here. Tell them what's your name.
Amigo.
Amigo. What's your name?
Amigo.
His name is Amigo. Okay? Amigo, what would you like to say to all these nice people?
How are you?
What did he say? How are you? How are you this morning? Good? Good, eh? The weather is good. It's a bit humid, eh? Okay, but Amigo here is very clever. He's so clever he can count 1 to 10 in English. How many of you can count in English? 1 to 10. You are also very clever. Listen to the bird. Count 1 to 10. Count in English.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. Very good, Amigo. Oh, it's not ready. Yeah, they are the stars of the show. If they are not ready, they won't sing. Without them, I will be nothing too. Are you ready, sir? Ready now. Okay, sing Rasa Sayang. Hey, that one is the same song. Chinese song, no. Rasa Sayang, okay? Malay song, Rasa Sayang. Sing Rasa Sayang.